Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'll show you how can you put Instagram on quiet mode using two different methods. So let's jump right into it. First, of course, you go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store and make sure you have the Instagram app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. After that, you can open Instagram because the first method is on the app itself. You tap here in the bottom right corner to open your profile. From your profile, go to settings by tapping the three lines in the top right corner right here. In the search bar at the top, go ahead and search for quiet mode, and once you find it right here, this might take some time searching for it. As you can see guys, again, once it pops up, tap on quiet mode and then tap on the toggle next to quiet mode. That is how can you turn on quiet mode on Instagram. You can go ahead and adjust the settings right here. For the second method, you can quit from the app completely and then tap and hold on the Instagram icon. You get this list of options. Go ahead and tap on app info, and here guys, you go ahead and tap on notifications, and all you need to do from here is to turn off notifications for Instagram. That will put it in quiet mode. And that is it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and of course, as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos guys.